I'm just kidding. So it's June and it's time for the new BlackCraft Cult mystery box. So I'm gonna do things a little bit differently this time. I'm gonna do a first person camera angle so you guys can see what I see as I'm opening the box. So let's get to it right now. Yeah, skip it. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let's open up this box and see what we got. Okay. This might be a really dumb idea or a really cool idea, but I can't really tell right now because I kind of can't see anything. Let me cover up my info real quick. There you go. Okay, so here is the June mystery box, and what? Okay, before I open this, I'm actually gonna lay it down on the floor, and we're gonna put everything on the bed. Okay, cool. So, starting off with just receipt, and here is awesome. The Fanny Pack. And just lay that right there. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna use this at the beach because living in Southern California, you know, the beach is always goth. So, or a cemetery. That's pretty cool. So here's the shirt. Take a better look at that. That's a cool shirt. I like the different logo on here. That is pretty cool. Lay that over there. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick rundown of everything. And here is the other shirt. Ooh, that's very cool. With the hearse. Oh my god, that's awesome. I might just wear this one right now. And you know, California has palm trees everywhere. Going outside my window right now. Let me show you. See? Palm trees everywhere. Okay, let's get back to this. And what is this, a beach ball? This is totally a beach ball. I'm gonna blow this up later. That's the mystery item, but and then you get this bandana. That is cool. That is awesome because I need sunglasses. I'm always losing my sunglasses. Awesome. What else we got? We got a big item that I'm gonna save for the end, and you get the usual BlackCraft paraphernalia. This is gonna be cool. I'm looking forward to the Orange County event. I'm gonna go to that. Okay, just gonna put that there. Here is the towel. Oh, this is cool. This is BlackCraft goat logo. Just gonna lay it over the pillow. So there you go. That's the June mystery box from BlackCraft Cult. Let me know if you want to participate in a future giveaway of certain things I'm not going to be keeping that I'll put together and give out to someone. Until then, see ya.